Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could protect your Windows computer from viruses, and this in just 3 or 4 steps. First of all, you need to go to your search tab if you have Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11 and you want to type settings. Make sure to go to your settings, go to Windows Update and make sure that your computer is up to date. If there are any updates which has to be done or to be installed, make sure to install them. Next step, and this of course after connecting to the internet. Next step, go to your search tab and type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security to open. You want to make sure that virus and threat protection is enabled or showed in green. If it shows in red, it means that you need to take action. Just click and check what settings are not enabled. All the settings must be enabled. We'll check also under virus and threat protection updates. You want to click check for updates to be up to date. And also ransomware protection, you want to make sure that it's enabled. Let's go back. Next step, you want to go to account protection and you want to have no action needed from your side. You can just read it here, no action needed. You want also to make sure that firewall and network protection is enabled. Under domain network, firewall is on, private network, firewall is on, and public network, firewall is on. If it's disabled, just make sure to click turn it on, and you should be given the option. For apps and browser control, make sure that it's also enabled. You can start from exploit protection. It should be enabled. Isolated browsing. Under install Microsoft Defender application guard, just click on it. Windows will ask you if you want really to make changes. Click yes. This little window will be prompted. Make sure to select the following options: guarded host, and also you want to select Microsoft Defender application guard. Once you click OK, these two options will be downloaded and will be installed in your computer. And this is very important for your security. Next step, you want to enable reputation-based protection. Click on it. Make sure that check apps and files is on, smart screen for Microsoft Edge is on, phishing protection is on, warn me about malicious apps and sites is selected, potentially unwanted app blocking it's on, and make sure that block downloads it's on. Once Microsoft detects that there is a malicious software or malicious or virus within an application, it will stop it from download. Also, Smart Screen for Microsoft Store apps, make sure it's enabled. Let's go back to the next option. You want to have Smart App Control settings. You need to make it on. But as you earlier selected those options, your computer, once you install it, you should see it Smart App Control is on. As we earlier selected these two options, isolated browsing, exploit protection, so it should automatically take it. So turn on. Application based is now on. We'll go back. Next step, what we want to do, we want to go virus and threat protection, and we want to select under scan threat, scan options. And here you have two options. You can either select full scan, and this will scan your computer while you are using it, or if you have time and you are not using your laptop or your computer, you can select Microsoft Defender Antivirus offline scan. This will turn off or will restart your device, and it will take about 15 minutes, but it will make sure that it completely cleans your computer. That's all from my side, guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. You can select one of our subscription options to become part of our family, and you can always encourage us to make more video tutorials by clicking like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to become one of our family also. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.